Finally, my predictions came true. I told you that Huawei is indeed making the world's first commercially available triple folding phone, but many people didn't believe it, and today Huawei has done it. This is the world's first commercially available triple folding phone, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design. So this phone can unfold into a full-size tablet and fold into a traditional phone as well. Anyway, let's talk about my top 5 favorite features of the Huawei's Mate XT Ultimate design that makes it the best smartphone of 2024. The first one is this triple folding display. Well, the phone has a 10.2-inch screen, the first ever and the largest foldable screen in a smartphone history, but you can still use it as a 6.4-inch smartphone and a 7.9-inch screen phone as well. Here are the dimensions of all screens. So this single phone will give you the experience of using 3 smartphones in one, which is incredible. The company has used the OLED LTPO panels with 240Hz maximum touch response, a 1440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, a P3 wide color gamut, and a 1.07 billion colors, which makes it one of the finest displays available today. The second best feature is related to the battery. Now, this phone comes with the world's thinnest smartphone battery, measuring only 1.9mm. Basically, Huawei has managed to include 3 battery cells in this phone. Each battery cell is 1.9mm thin, and all combined, the phone offers 5600 mAh of the massive battery, which is quite amazing thing for this smartphone. Plus, Huawei has said that the Huawei Mate XT uses first-of-its-kind technologies, including the new large-capacity battery made from the thinnest silicon negative electrode material. Therefore, not only it is thin, but the phone's battery will last for much longer time if we compare it to the regular phone. The third feature in the list is the size and weight. I know after seeing the phone, a lot of you guys might be wondering that this might be very heavy or bulky phone considering the fact that it has 3-spin mechanism, but let me surprise you all. The device weighs only 238 grams, which is very light and handy. And for instance, if we compare it to the Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, well, that phone weighs around 233 grams. So the Huawei's Mate XT is only 5 grams heavier than the Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, and here are the full dimensions of the phone as well. So yeah, this is also one of the thinnest and the lightest triple folding phone available today. The fourth feature in the list is regarding the photography. Well, the photography is supported by XMage technology, which enhances and improves the post-capture images and offers you the best image captured from a smartphone. So basically, the camera has a big octagonal outlook with 4 openings. The camera system includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera to take wide shots. It brings a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.56-inch sensor size. It has variable aperture technology to switch between f1.4 and f4.0 with 10-stop aperture and optical image stabilization. Third is a periscope telephoto camera with 12-megapixel and 5.5x optical zoom with optical image stabilization. It can also expand the zoom up to 50x. Fourth is a laser focus sensor, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. So overall, the cameras on this phone are top notch, and because of this, you won't see any compromises in photos as well. The fifth feature is obviously regarding the AI. Well, Huawei lets you turn its triple foldable into a regular phone, tablet or PC. The single screen enables users to manage things with one hand. The dual screen mode is perfect for browsing or clear reading, while the third screen will enlarge things. And to make this possible, Huawei used a lot of AI stuff into this phone to make things easier for you. Plus, the Huawei's Mate XT uses the upgraded Siri assistant running on the Pangu large AI model. It will facilitate users with the following smart AI features. So these were my top features of the phone. I will be making a lot of new cool videos regarding the phone, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video of mine. So what do you think about this beautiful looking futuristic smartphone? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.